elements of a great greeting. Welcome to Hudson. Thanks for coming in today. My name is, and I'd be happy to help in any way I can. What vehicle did you come to see? What vehicle can I give you information on today? I'll be happy to give you the price so you have something to shop with. I can show you all the blanks we have, and we can take a test drive. We have a great selection of blanks. You came to the right place. To make this faster and to make sure we get the best vehicle, can we start with an appraisal of your car? What are you driving now? What are you planning on doing with your current vehicle? Did you park in the front? It's usually fastest if I grab the VIN, the miles, the basic information on the vehicle, so I can give it to my appraiser. By the time we get back from the test drive, we'll have numbers on your vehicle ready. It'll save us 20 or 30 minutes. Let's start with your vehicle. Telling the person you're going to take them through the sales process. You're just telling them you can help them. We get so hung up on answering everybody's questions that we miss sales a lot of times. Anybody can sell a car. Anybody can sell a car. If you got the car, the person's already seen it, they're just there to pick it up. We don't even need salespeople. We need salespeople when it's time to expand the inventory and do all that stuff. I'm going to make sales calls live in front of you guys today. I make sales calls live all in front of the country. I can be on stage, there could be 300 people in the audience, and I'll say, hey, let me take a sales call, let me make a call live. And I'm not nervous at all. I feel nothing. Why am I not nervous to call in front of 300 people? Why?
Just do it all the time.
Do it all the time, and I say the same stuff every single time. If I had to make it all up on the spot, I'd be terrified. But I've been doing it for 20 years, just like with these greetings. If you have a greeting that you say every single time, it takes all the anxiety away. So what I'd like you guys to do is write out a greeting that works good for you guys. Write out the greeting, and then we'll share it. What you should do in the greeting: welcome the customer, compliment their choice, sell them the steps, and then you need to have a good transition to step 2.